Good 29th of June, if you can believe this already, approaching a holiday weekend after a hazy, horrible air quality week in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. This is Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Vincenzo'S Gold, the name you should know, crypto investing guru with a golden flow. On YouTube, he's a partner, spreading knowledge wide, but beware of the fleece, 'cause shysters they hide. Vincenzo'S Gold, shining bright, so bold, in the world of crypto, where fortunes unfold. But watch out for the gangsters, the criminals brigade. Stay vigilant, my friends, in this risky crusade. With the charts and analysis, Vincenzo's insight, guiding investors through the crypto fight. But amongst the gold, there are gangsters lurking, scheming to deceive while others are working. Vincenzo'S Gold, shining bright, so bold, in a world of crypto where fortunes unfold. Stay vigilant, my friend, in this risky crusade. In a realm of investments, caution is key. Educate yourself, don't fall for a decree. Not all the glitter is gold. Remember the rule. Stay sharp, stay informed, don't be a fool. Vincenzo'S Gold, a beacon of light. But be wary of those with ulterior might. Navigate with the crypto waves with wisdom and might, and may your investments soar to new heights. Hit that bell notification, subscribe to the channel to fleece, heist, and shice the criminal gangster cartel. Peace and love, my beautiful audience. Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. We're going to get right on into the charts as there's been a lot of activity this week. It's been a few days since I updated, but here we go. We're going to get straight down to it on this pre-4th of July holiday weekend. If you can believe this already, you can see the Bitcoin price, or the XRP price, is sitting here like it's been in this consolidation after it came off that rounding bottom that we went over. We had a nice consolidation that formed a somewhat double top that has this little pennant flag formation, and we're bouncing off the 200-day today. And if we can continue to bounce into the holiday weekend, we can run up to that 51 cents or even that 68 elusive cents, and that is the critical areas that you're watching out for. But if you slip this 200-day, unfortunately, you're coming down to 31 cents. But currently what we're looking at is to hold that 200-day, reclaim the 51 cents, hold support on the bottom part of that blue trading zone, and skyrocket to success up here to 68 cents. And not to be fleece heisted and shysted by the FUD, the misinformation, and the hope beyond that is spreading, right? But if we go into the Bitcoin price, you can see there, after we get out of there, we're still getting rejected on this upper resistance at just above 30,000. In order to remain bullish, we have to come above that 29,000 and change and skyrocket up here to the $39,211. If we can do that this weekend, you'll have major bull market action. But if you get rejected by this uptrending support right there, or uptrending resistance that used to be support, and now it's flipped it to resistance temporarily on this green trading zone right here. Come on. On that green trading zone there, you can see how it got rejected beautifully. We told you when it was down there. You're up here, got rejected a couple of times. Got rejected a couple of times. Now it's trading sideways. And if you fail to hold this, you're going to come right back to 29,000 and then eventually back to 19.1. If you can build the base and hold this, you can get back into this trading zone and make a run up to $39,211. And possibly even as high as $45,000 up there in the top part of this rising channel. But that's all subject to change, as we must hold the bottom part of this red trading zone, the VP volume indicator, right there. And that's what we're watching out for this weekend. We got to hold this, build the base, and try to rocket to 39,000, or you're going to stagnate up this, get rejected in a classic hook-nosed Jew bearish reversal pattern, right? And that's what's going on in the Bitcoin price. The DGB is in the shitter, the ZIL is in the shitter, and the XDC is in the shitter. But we'll give you more updates a little bit later. Peace and love.